In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Google Forms responses and explain what you can and cannot get back, especially if you're a beginner. First, it's important to understand one thing clearly. Google Forms does not have a recycle bin or version history for responses, so if responses are permanently deleted, they usually cannot be restored later. However, there are a few things you can try depending on when and how the deletion happened. If you just deleted the responses a few seconds ago, act immediately. Press Ctrl and Z on Windows or Command and Z on Mac. This undo shortcut can instantly bring back the deleted responses, but it only works right after the deletion. If that undo option is no longer available, the next step is to check the linked Google Sheet. Many forms are connected to a spreadsheet where responses are automatically saved. Go to your form, open the Responses tab, and click the green Sheets icon. Even if responses were deleted from the form itself, they may still exist in the spreadsheet. Another useful option is downloading the responses as a CSV file. In the Responses tab, click the three-dot menu and select Download Responses. This can be especially helpful if questions were deleted because the CSV file may still contain the raw data, even if it looks unorganized. If the linked spreadsheet itself was deleted from Google Drive, you won't recover old data, but you can reconnect the form to a new or existing spreadsheet. This ensures all future responses are safely stored again. To avoid problems in the future, always keep your form linked to a Google Sheet and be very careful when deleting responses or questions because those actions are usually permanent. And that's how you recover deleted Google Forms responses. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.